Hey guys, how's it going? It's Tracy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm going to Chicago today. So I'm just running around getting things ready. And this came in the mail today, so I'm so excited. Or, well, it came in yesterday. It was sitting on my door. This is my Michael Kors bag that I wanted to take with me to Chicago because I wanted like a tote bag type of thing, so it's a little present like to me, and I'm so excited for you, so excited so I can open it and show you guys. It's so pretty, I love it, so excited. So let's open this baby up. Oh, and guys, I am bringing my laptop with me. I decided, you know what, I'm just going to do it. And so I am definitely going to be filming for you guys and everything else. So it's going to be super exciting. So, yeah. And there's the... Here's my bag. I'm so excited. So excited. It's gorgeous, you guys. I'm so happy. Let's open it. Oh, you guys. It's beautiful. So pretty. I thought that it'd be a little big, but you know what? I'm completely happy with it. Oh, it's so cute. Pull you back. So this is the Michael Kors bag. I think it, let me see what it's called. I'm really bad with names, you guys. Horribly bad. Let's see. It is the Hampton Sapphire Tote. It's gorgeous, so pretty. And then you can wear it like this, or you have your, so you can like wear it like that. Oh, I love it. It's so freaking adorable. And what sold me really on this was the color and of course gold. But if you guys can see this, oh. It's got the MK on it and a lock. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I'm so happy that it came on time. I would have been like bummered. This is just packaging. And so this is gonna definitely be my bag for like in the car. Oh, it's fucking gorge. I'm sorry, but so cute. I am so happy that I made this purchase. Definitely. There's my card for authenticness. Cool. Oh, so beautiful. And then it just has pockets for like your, I'm guessing like your cards, and then it has a phone case and then a zipper pocket right here. So yeah, and then it's just got a latch and enclosure. This is actually a lock. So I think you can actually lock it if you need to, or maybe not. Never mind. I think that's just for decoration. But you guys, are you loving, or are you loving? I love it. So pretty. So gorgeous. Oh, and then this little thing right here has the key in it. If I can. Supposed to pop. So we'll see. There we go. Right there. And it's got the MK key. So. Oh, you you guys. So I hope that you liked this unboxing, and if you definitely can get your hands on this purse, I would totally recommend it. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.